Yon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Today is day, hindi ba tayo magkakamali ulit? Day 22. Kasi kahapon, kagabi, akala ako day 22 na, day 21 pa lang pala. So today is day 22. 8 more days and we're going to finish our 30-day challenge. But we will go beyond that. The challenge is how much can I, or how many consecutive can I do? Ayan, dito lang tayo Khalifa City. Today is May 8. Ayan, nakabalik na tayo sa morning ride natin. Weather is nice, very nice. Malamig. At kaya malamig na sa umaga? Usually, ibig sabihin hindi pa putok na putok ang summer. Pero sa tanghali, kumaabot na 40. 42, 45. Ayan, balik tayo sa ating morning ride, morning routine. Buti maaga akong nagising. Kahit na anong oras na ako natulog, 1 o'clock ako natulog, nagising ako 4 o'clock. So hindi naman ako nahirapang gumising, basta nagising ako. So anyway, ayan, start na tayo ng ating day 22. Let's go. Yun, andito na tayo. Pasok muna ulit tayo dito sa ating usual spot. Pinasukan ng insekto yung mata ko. Shucks. Anyway, today is day 22 ha. Nagkamali ako kahapon. Akala ko day 22 nakakagabi, hindi pa pala. Well anyway, ano lang tayo, medyo sore pa yung muscle natin. So we will just do 20 kilometers now para maka-recover din yung muscle natin. Yan, andito na. Pasok na tayo dito andito na tayo sa ating usual spot. Ang panahon, malamig pa rin ang panahon. Oh my goodness. Time check, it's 5:46. Sobrang late nga ako ngayon. Pero okay lang kasi malamig naman yung hangin. Tsaka mahangin. Yan, anyway, ano tayo, silent. We'll just concentrate on riding. See you po sa exit. Let's go. Ayan, so far ito na yung ating final round. Struggling ako. Inaatay ako eh. Sumasakit yung tagiliran ko. Ano to? Pakot. Kasi anong oras na ako natulog? 1:30 or 4:32. Tapos gising ako 4:30 naman ako nagising. Nahirapan ako huminga. Pag humihinga ako, yung nag-i-inhale ako, parang may tumutusok sa tagiliran ko. Ay nako. Kailangan talaga ng rest and recover. So at least ngayon makaka-rest tayo ng matagal hanggang bukas. So bukas na ulit ng umaga ang ride natin. Back to morning ride na tayo. Siyempre yung eyes on the prize pa rin tayo. Our short-term goal, which is 30 kilometers, which is the 30 days. And then pag natapos na yun natin short-term goal natin, mid-term naman, which is we need to surpass that for ano yung after 30 days, 40, 50. Long-term goal is to reach that 100-day challenge. Sakit. Pero at this rate, I'm not sure kung makakaya yung 100 kasi I can feel yung fatigue is catching up. Ano? Napapatig na tayo. Pero anyway, ito, labas na yung araw. Medyo biglang taas yung araw eh. Hindi naman mainit pa, pero you know, it's getting there. Pero yung hangin kasi malamig talaga. So, kumbaga, may kalamigan pa yung hangin. Oh my God, sakit ng tagat nung tinaatay ako. Anyway, yan. At least, day 22 is almost done. Balik tayo sa day 22. Kala ko day 22 na kahapon eh. Well, anyway, 8 days more. Then we'll finish our short-term goal, which is the 30 kilometers. Oh my goodness. Yan, ang taas na ng araw. Pansin nyo, ang sobrang itim po na naman. Kahit hindi ako nagra-ride masyado ng tanghali, pero walang ba? Itim po. Yan, anyway, let's go. See you sa exit.
Now show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want, all of your love. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.
Ayan, ito, exit na tayo dito. Exit na tayo. Exit. Let's go. Ayan, ito na nga, it's official. Tapos na natin ang day 22. 20 kilometers lang din tayo kasi ramdam ko pa yung pagod, saka kailangan ng matinding tulog. Ouch! Yan, ito mo, ang taas na kagad ng araw yan. Ramdam na muna na may kurot-kurot na ng konti yung araw. Anyway, yan lang. Let's go. See you at home.
Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want.
Yun, hanggang dito na lang ang ating ride for today. Thank you Lord for the safe ride. Salamat din sa inyong mga nakaabot dyan, sa lahat ng mga nanonood na nakaabot dito. Thank you very much po. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to our channel, About to Fit. Salamat po sa mga subscribers and members natin. Thank you very much po sa walang sawang pag-support nyo. Yan, we're almost home. Medyo struggle ako ng konti dito sa ride na to. Sumakit yung tuhod ko. Sumakit yung atay ko. Sumasakit yung tagiliran mo. Hindi ako makahinga na maayos. Well anyway, nairaos naman natin ng 20 km na ride natin today. Tomorrow bawi tayo, we'll see. Kailangan natin aga-agahan ng konti, dapat hindi tayo abutan ng araw. Kaya yan. So, day 22 is done. See you tomorrow, day 23. Ayan na. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. See ya.
Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how